Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka NoMediocre 876, and on this channel I do travel, food, health, and lifestyle videos. Well guys, today I have exciting news, and by the way, I'm here with Dwayne.
Hello, family.
Yeah, most of you know Dwayne. He is my friend and also my real estate agent. Yeah, man. So guys, all right, so yes, Mr. Dwayne is my real estate agent, so, but no, we're not going to look at any house or apartment or anything like that today. I have some really exciting news, and also a bit of sad news too.
I see an exciting news. I like the exciting news first. I don't like sad news.
All right, guys.
Push me up and then you bring me down.
All right,
push me up first before you bring me down. I don't like bad news first. Start with the exciting.
The exciting one?
What's the exciting news?
You want to know?
Well, family, friends, and viewers all over the world, Miss Chanel. Miss Chanel has found her perfect apartment.
Yeah, but not only found it, I bought it. Yeah, man, guys, I'm officially a homeowner. Like, Dwayne can't believe, like, he said it, but it just can't, seem real, to be honest. I can't
Oh man, it's a good feeling.
It feels good,
Yeah,
you don't feel like reality, but yeah, man. But guys, this place though, it's crazy how it happened, because this apartment which I got, guys, you guys did not see it. It was actually Dwayne who actually saw it, and he messaged me. He actually called me and said, Chanel, this is one apartment, and only one leave. I mean, no say I gonna like it, but other people have eyes on it, and you just need to put in an offer.
Nice.
Yeah, man. He said you won't be disappointed. I say, you know what? Before me even could see it, go there, go look at it, I said, alright, and put in an offer. And that was it, guys. I viewed it first, like within the same week when he called me, and that was basically it. Like, yeah, man, I love it. So I haven't like moved in everything in the apartment as yet, but before one moves in, they have to ensure that they get, well, for me, I have to buy like a bed and sofa and other little things. And for now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to like check places like Courts and Active Home Center, places where we can see like some nice modern furniture. And of course, guys, I am going to take you along with me. And Dwayne, of course, is going to be an awesome friend as usual, and hi shop with me.
Of course. I'm gonna see what she likes, see what the design, the styles, and also show you guys what is here available in Jamaica. If you have a property and you want to get it right, get it nice and custom how you like it. There's a couple places down here that has high quality goods that you can really use in your apartment or your house. So
you don't have to ship anything to Jamaica.
Not at all.
Waste some money.
Exactly. Everybody believes that everything made over foreign, but guess what? This is what your product is, but here for a cheaper price, because everybody are getting thing from China anyway. So let's not kill ourselves. So yeah, the thing nice, proper, beautiful, clean, and nice design that you can make you can get an elegant home with these products in these places. So yeah.
So for the sad news, guys, my pet parrot Rico is no longer with us. No, he didn't die. Rico just decided that he didn't want to be with me anymore. He just opened the cage on his own and he flew away. Yeah, it kind of my fault still. I think maybe I should have carried him, you know, like to get him groomed and like clip his wings. But you know, it hurts.
I understand, but John, no, I'm not gonna lie to you. That story right there make me respect that bird a lot more.
Why? Why do it?
I like it when a bird take initiative to say, you hear me? I gotta live my life right now. I'm about my business.
Come on, Dwayne. You see how me and Rico live.
I understand what you're saying, and you know, I understand, but I always try to see both sides. I understand the bird was special to you and it meant something to me, but as a person who love and appreciate life, I love when animals or people, anything, just take an initiative to say, you know what, I'll do something for my So that's just my, you know, make that situation make you feel bad, but I just like it when animals or people take initiative, so I'll go on my own.
Yeah, but the thing about Rico doing is that Rico doesn't know how to live in the wild, you know. That bird not used to know a rough life. Like, you understand? I ensure that Rico is always fed.
Yeah.
They give him favorite fruits. Rico drive up and down to the car with me enough time. You see how me make Rico live.
So I'm gonna ask you a question. How you know Rico the fly away, go find a nice little place where other bird like him the about, and him go find a nice little bird woman, and him and the little bird woman they start build a nest together and, you know, start get a family. And
Rico and I used to them the life.
Rico go, you know, go get 2 eggs and have him son and him daughter. You know, Rico do him thing. Or you know, me like to put a positive spin on it. Rico is having the best life right now with her family. And he has a nice home.
Well, let's look at it
next to a park in Blue Mountain. Maybe him fly up a Blue Mountain next to a park and is drinking spring water and I eat nice berries and them things.
Alright.
You know?
Alright, so let's just look at it in that light then, I guess, you know.
Yeah,
and I just miss hearing him calling his name, you know. You know that he was actually imitating Marley. That's my dog.
You know?
Yeah, Rico was actually barking.
It's not like
it was just he was amusing, guys. He was. But anyway, I'm happy that he didn't die. No, you know, he just decided that he wanted to be free.
Rico's living in Blue Mountain right now, next to a spring with a nice little nest. Enjoying life right now. That's what's happening.
Yeah, well, let's hope that's actually what's happening with Rico, guys. But anyway, guys, let's go into Active Home Center and see what they have to offer. All right, guys, so let's go. Yeah, we're going. No, we can go upstairs first. Oh, look over here. Yeah. Alright, this. You know what I want for the bathroom doing is a vanity mirror. Yeah.
I think this one is the light up one.
This one?
Yeah, I think this one the lights up.
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, it is. Like this.
Double sink.
Oh, 149. That's without tax. Well, it's quality though.
Soft close door. Yeah, man, we're just looking at.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, look at the stove because remember I need an electric stove.
Yeah.
What brand is this? A feature there? 49.
5 burner.
Probably 250. 250 Jamaican. 250,000 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, but you know, so we can't use the gas one in the apartment, so yeah. 209. Wait, what's all the difference between it? Two of them are the same.
I think
249.
this one. I don't know.
And this one is 209. Hi, what's the difference between both of these?
Two different series. So this is the middle series and this is the higher series. So the features are different.
What are the main features?
This one, the oven goes to 550. It has convection bake and convection roast separately. While that just convect. So as I said, this one, it has a, so this one, if you realize the difference in this and this, it have a space pro, right? So you can use this shape pot, or you can use all of this one time, or you can just use one at a time.
Oh,
right?
okay, I got you.
And for this, as I was saying, that the temperature goes to 550. Normally, temperature go 450.
Okay, so
And a normal
550
stove.
and a 450. So this one go up to a 450.
450, yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you. And this one right is doing for 149. 149 for this one. Can I touch the kitchen? Yeah. How much for that?
37,900.
Whoa. Boy,
$50.
house fixtures expensive, you know? Not just fixtures, everything for house. To furnish a house expensive. Then I think I might buy the fridge inside here because the price of the refrigerators aren't bad. Because this is what, 219.
Out of stock. Yeah, man. Because I was wondering, it's a nice looking fridge.
It out of stock?
Yeah, man.
Oh, never see that. And I've got a drawer down here so too. And a good brand, Samsung.
That's what I'm saying.
This is neat, it's nice.
I see why this works. It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's neat.
If you have children, this is not a fridge for you. Because I have to them reach up here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this one and this one. There's a 2%. Excuse me, this already has in the GCT, right? The cash price? No? Plus GCT. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This one. But you don't like it? So you laugh for?
It just.
Gold, Dwayne, gold. This one I like it. And the price for this isn't bad. 15,900. It is.
I like this. Either one, but I think I like this more.
Both are cute.
Yeah.
And maybe I would want like two of this one. Two. To put on the wall, I was also into you.
This more give me like a Romanish feel. Like, you know, the design pattern.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I said two of this or two of them?
Both.
Both, four.
Yeah, you can put two of this somewhere and put two of that. So this to me is more like in our living room.
Yeah, that's what
Like
I'm
the
talking
entrance.
about.
Like
So I'm saying like the picture frame which I have,
Yeah.
I could put the picture frame like in the middle and like two mirrors at
No,
the
man,
side.
this is for the living room.
Yeah.
This is definitely for the living room. This, like bathroom, bedroom. Like,
Alright, so let's take a note of the price. 900. Oh, and tax 9 of that.
Okay, that price is for the top one. This is the price for this one down here, so.
Nikani.
And this is the price for this one.
25,000. Well, it's worth it. It's, yeah.
But
It's
it look
beautiful.
nice. It look
Yeah.
nice. It's a statement mirror.
Yeah.
Put it in your living room
Yeah.
because as soon as you walk in, it's like a dry your eyes to it.
Dwayne, take a picture of this one so we can remember it. Definitely we'll come back for this and the refrigerator. So ensure you get the price, right?
No here now. You want this to be a gift? Your old gift?
What? Oh, thank you. 2 of them. Thank you. Oh, thank you in advance, Dwayne. Thank you. You hear, guys? Dwayne, so I'm going to buy me two of them mirror. So let's go upstairs. Alright, so let's have a view from upstairs, guys. It's where we're coming from. I think I might buy one more. I bought one in quartz last month. Yeah. But I need a brighter color.
Yeah, none of these sketches.
No.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything there.
Yeah.
Some
Oh, and remember, this is the same color sofa that I have doing.
Okay.
The gray. Yes, guys, I bought a gray sofa. It hasn't been delivered as yet. But yeah, man.
Different than this. This is not the same.
Yeah, no, it's same color.
Same color.
But mine is the L shape.
No,
So this is still L shape.
Yours just have like a more suede slash
Yes.
velvety look to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want one of these with a table to like put at the side. Like in the living room. Like if you're having a drink or so.
Okay, yeah.
Look at like a bar table.
Just a little like a glass table.
Yeah.
Like a lounge. I can't remember.
Or one of these. Yeah, one of these is nice.
Is it the three-piece? I think is it a three-piece you get for 40,000?
Or one that you can buy them single look like. Yeah, three pieces.
Yeah, so I think you get the three of them for 40,000.
Yeah.
Not a bad price.
Mm.
And it matches like the wood matches with your countertop and everything. Right?
Yeah, same color.
Yeah.
Oh, I want this, but like for the bedroom.
This?
No, for the bedroom, no. I'll put it like in the living room.
Either or, but I think it'd be more in the living room.
Yeah, in the living room. Maybe like two, or maybe one.
What's the shop?
33,900
Okay.
plus GCT. Yeah, I like it. It's cute.
Okay, so guys, when we're giving you these prices, remember to just divide by 150 for the US price, because we don't want to, for you overseas buyers, US buyers and US customers that watch Chanel and me. So 33,900, 34,000 divided by 150 and you'll get the approximate for the US price.
Yeah. Those pendant lights are cute. Small, yeah.
Which one of these chandeliers you like? You think?
Out of all of them?
Yeah. Let me see what kind of taste you have. Which one of these chandeliers would you put in your house? Let me see if me and Chanel has the same taste. I know which one caught my eye the moment I looked up.
I like this one.
Wow. Me and Chanel have the same taste.
That one caught your eyes too?
The first one that caught my
Yeah.
eye, the design and everything.
Yeah, man.
Look like that, look at them and something. Yeah. Remember? Tough.
I like it.
Yeah, man.
Look at glitter.
Yeah, it looks nice and the design and the shape, everything.
Yeah.
Is yeah. That one there, hang over right this. Yeah, nice.
So much for you to choose from, guys, if you want to come here and shop. So over this side. Oh, that, wow. And look here now, there's a little table and match it. You sit down and watch him. You watch TV and chill and have a table beside you.
Nice drink.
Yeah.
See, there are some big man things.
And drink your whiskey, because I know you like whiskey.
Wow. Old fashioned.
Yeah.
It's a blessing.
There are so many styles. Oh my god.
Yeah. You can really design your whole entire
Yeah.
apartment and house
How you
with this
want
place.
it, yeah.
Whatever look, whatever style, whatever you think is best for you.
Yeah. So far, Dwayne, we've written down the refrigerator and what else, Mr. I'm interested in.
Refrigerator,
The stove.
the stove,
Yeah.
the mirror.
Yeah, the two mirrors where you say, yeah, get me. Yeah.
And so you want a next room, but you never say one.
Yeah, need something much more vibrant.
That chandelier, you don't know where I will put it, it's a brightness, the whole place.
Yeah.
How much it cost? You look for how much it cost?
I think I saw what, 30 something.
That's what you said?
I think I saw 30 something thousand.
Come on, that would be a nice centerpiece for having the whole thing.
Yeah. But you know what I want for the bedroom is one of those
Oh, the
chandeliers.
lights. You said you like that light.
Which one again, Miss Amanda?
Standing light over there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, these are lovely too. This could use inside the house.
Yeah, man. I think these are most likely like over the island.
Yeah,
Something
these are,
like
yeah. These pendants are for the island.
Yeah, something like
I saw one online which I liked doing. It's similar to this one. Yeah, but it doesn't have the design
yeah, because
over the glass.
an apartment I was in,
Yeah.
they had about 4 of these over the island.
Oh, okay.
So that's but
Yeah.
yeah, man. What did you say?
Huh?
This one?
Yeah, the one that I saw online. I was thinking about like buying
Okay.
it. But
Okay.
then, yeah.
Junior bed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at this.
Definitely. It's like the twin size bed, right? No, it's a queen.
This is a queen?
Yeah.
This is a queen?
Yeah. Paris queen bed. What is a queen bed? It looks so small. Like a twin size. But what's the cost though? 99,900 plus tax. Alright, the thing about these beds now, Dwayne, is that I love them, but it's something maybe I've got to think about, like
What do you
fit
mean, this?
clean.
You
Yeah.
like this?
No, I mean not necessarily this one, but like with the cloth or the fabric. I like these,
Yeah.
but you have to think about maybe cleaning it maybe often.
No, man. If this, you probably go with a better like a leather
Yeah.
or a wood.
Yeah.
Something. I would.
So I was actually thinking about getting maybe a wood bed frame. Yeah, more so than the fabric. But you have to think about what happens in the long run.
Yeah,
long
get a
term,
nice leather one or something. At least it'll pack more when
Yeah.
you put the leather oil and get it nice and clean. But I guess it's depending on how you dress up the room because you have the chair. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking it would
Something
blend
will
well
match
with
the chair, yeah.
It would blend
Oh,
with
you
the
remember
chair.
my recliner? Yeah, my recliner.
Oh, that would look fine, I
Yeah,
guess,
there are two ceiling fans in the living room, but those are small, like smaller than these. Yeah, because you remember in the living room there are like two sockets aligned, so I put like two small ones there.
Oh, okay. But for your bedroom, you probably want something
Yeah,
nice and big so
yeah,
you can cover
exactly,
the whole bed.
exactly.
So when you're sleeping, you just, you can stuff in the air.
Oh, I like this bed frame. What do you think about this bed frame? This will definitely match the recliner which I have. In
Queen.
here. Yeah.
Queen. So this is a queen, so I guess queen's money.
Yeah. And you know,
I don't mind queens was bigger.
exactly.
I don't know. Can I look on this one?
Exactly. It doesn't look like a queen though, but it is a queen.
Because you are this one, yeah?
Exactly.
Come on,
Come like I
let's
can't
go.
even roll.
Look on this. This not make sense. No man, king not to work. Queen king not work. No, because
Well, I guess I don't know. Unless them make the queen mattress them smaller these days.
I probably just. You know?
Look at the price of the dresser doing. $1,000 for the. Oh yeah. But me tell you something, fabric bedhead that we are now, sir, now. but yeah, but I think I prefer to work with the hood door as I said before. Oh, see a leather one you're doing.
But for some reason the wood just, I think the wood just have a more better look to it.
Yeah. And so it comes with the dresser to match it as well. This gives me like a manly feel though. Yeah,
Miss Chanel is going to test out the sofa to see what kind. How does it feel? Yeah? So I like the orange, I like the color combination with the chairs they have with it. Hmm? The lamp? Got you. This look like outside furniture.
I was saying to you like we have like a sunroom at the back. Like it would be nice to put a room.
No man, it's a nice little set right here, so. It's a nice little outdoor set right here, so. Hmm? Yeah. Hello. Yes. Yeah, we're just seeing what we like to put in an apartment. Yeah man, that look nice. I wonder if it's I wonder if the material is the clean, what do you call it? Is this material like the clean where no, like you know the material where you can clean it very easily? It's like hard to stain?
Yeah man, you can scotch guards in it.
Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah man, cause yeah, outdoor that'll get real dirty real fast. Mm-hmm. Why? Cause it match your shirt?
No.
Yeah, she like it cause it match her shirt. And that she like.
Just leaving Active Home Center. So much.
Yeah, man. A lot of
so
stuff,
much
lot
choices. But what I'm really interested in here is the refrigerator and the stove and the the mirror which I saw.
Mirrors.
Yeah.
You like the lamp that was in there.
Yeah, man.
Refrigerator, stove, mirrors, lamp, and you like the bed head that you saw.
Yeah. But I'm not sure if I will take the bed in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the price for missing so far on those 4 things, not bad at all.
And you like
compared
the little
to
table set.
Yeah, the little table
to put,
set.
like,
yeah.
If anyone comes over to put drinks on and stuff.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. So right now, guys, we're gonna go over to Quartz to check out what they have to offer. So let's go.
Let's go.
about the space. The space not bad. The washing space, yeah. Good amount of load can go in there. And it doesn't have the, what you call it, that thing that comes up in the middle. Like for some, yeah.
Yeah.
So it saves space.
Yeah. It's just you or even a family, you can use it because it's not like you're washing. And a lot of these things nowadays, they come in water saving technology to them.
Yeah.
So don't need a lot of water.
Yeah. So look at the others.
And the dryer?
Yeah. It is. Master Tech brand. Never heard of that brand before.
Yeah. They make fans.
And price is what, 133,000. Wow. Yeah, look, what I was trying to say, you know, worth it.
No, it's not.
Like,
it's just wash and dry combination. I don't know. There's a lot going on there.
Yeah.
I like the separation now. This is the wash and this is dry.
Yeah, but also it takes up less space. If you have a machine of this size that dries and also washes. What I like though is that anyone can come and say, alright, they're going to buy a machine because some of the prices are quite affordable despite the brand. For example, this one is Master Tech and cash price what, $80,000? Call it $81,000.
Boss, my ask a question. You working? No. Oh, okay. You ever heard of a washer and dryer machine in one?
Yeah, man, the Master Tech.
Oh, is it reliable?
How long should I from November.
Because I never heard of that brand, you know, so sometimes,
Master Tech? Yeah. Man, that's a good brand.
Is that a good brand?
Yeah, man. You see, any brand that cold springs, always a good brand.
Is that Chinese brand?
No.
Yes, man, so once Court Spring,
From Cold Spring, trust me, it's a good brand.
Okay.
Certified.
Okay.
But the wash and dryer, that's where it's going in one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Again, you don't like the fabric.
No, honestly, it's just the jeans look.
Oh, like a jeans
Oh,
look?
they're dropped again. Just to show them this.
Oh, cool.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you can put like your
Storage.
linens and stuff for it if you want.
Yeah.
Save space.
Yeah, man. I don't like that. No, it's the front, the color. Yeah, it just, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll just rather do something. You know?
I like the finish of this one too. Yeah. It will
cream, so
yes, it will match it, yeah.
Yeah, it'll play good off of your walls.
What, that? Yeah, I had seen this one some time ago too. Dresser high too.
I like this dresser.
Yeah.
I like the height of it. I like the mirror.
This one's going for 321 cash. Well, you know, something will look really good. The price will go up there.
That's how it go. You pay for what you get.
Yep.
You can do that look good. I like this stuff in front of you.
Yeah.
Like this right here in front of you. Yeah, sometimes you don't want to go on your bed with this one.
Yeah, I can sit down, yeah. I'm one person, like anybody who come look for me and them something there, or even say I'm coming to my room, I like it when people sit down on my bed when I sleep under them clothes.
No, that no.
No.
That can't go.
That's why I even have the sofa in my room.
And you know, like some on my bed with my outdoor too. So yeah, no.
Yeah.
You can't sit down. Okay.
Oh, this is for
Classics.
king size.
Classic sleigh bed.
So I'm looking, I don't know if I mentioned it before guys, but I am looking a queen size. Alright, the next thing that I'm interested in is to get 2 bar stools.
Okay.
Remember, I haven't gotten the stools for the island as yet.
Okay. So we have a nice selection here.
Yep.
What do you think?
I like this one.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice. So something like this. But I don't know if it matches too well with this foam. Like,
No.
If this was wood or something, it would
Yeah.
be nice.
I think the reason why I actually kind of clinging to this one right now is because the countertop has in like some brown colors in it. So it could go.
It have a real stylish look.
Yeah, man. Stylish.
It's so good.
Comfy. Alright guys, so that's it for me. I looked at some of the basic things which I need right now for the apartment, and the stool was one of the things which I really wanted for the island. So I'm gonna get that maybe around next week or so.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour with us. We show you what Quartz has to offer, what Active Home Center has to offer. So if you need anything for your house, you can go and check them out. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion.
No, the man with no money, which they need to do some money.
So that's it for now, guys. Until next time.
Before you go, also contact me if you're in the market for a home, real estate property, for development, or you're looking to invest in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, guys.
Of course.
And you can check out the other videos which Dwayne and I have done for apartments which we have looked at, and also land. So stay tuned for more of those type of videos. If you want to contact Dwayne to ask him about what's available out there, you can get his number, which I'll leave in the description below. So read the description, guys.
Yes.
All right, so remember also, guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. Like this video, share this video, and leave a comment. Until next time, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre.
Never.
Bye, guys.
All right, guys.